What's going on, guys? Christian here from CK Wraps. So I've got a treat here for you. I've unwrapped the Huracan from the camouflage bowl print, that custom print that we did a few months ago. Hasn't been very long. Wrapped in Orcal 3951 with a Pro Slide. Film was holding on great actually, and unwrapped it. Came off really nicely. No glue. It hasn't been that long, but it was sticking really well, especially to the primered bumper, which I was really surprised. Now this has been rewrapped in Avery Satin Pearl White with 3M brushed lamb. It's pretty intense. Like, it's so luxurious. I think this finish suits the car. Nothing could suit the car any better than this finish right here. It's changed it from, you know, a Huracan to something that's just like a few tiers above in my opinion. The look alone, I don't know if you guys will actually see it in camera. You know, I'll try to get in there and show you it, but the look alone, it doesn't even compare as far as video goes and what you see it in person as. But I'll try and capture it right now for you. We'll do a quick little walk around, and then you know, we'll see what James thinks about it. All right, so the side markers are left covered as requested. The light does actually shine through a little bit, which is pretty cool. It's the front end. So the front end is obviously directional, so the bumper runs across and the hood runs lengthwise down the car. It has to be done that way because we want the hood to at least match the fenders, which the fenders then match the doors, and then down the rest of the side of the car. The bumper still lines up kind of to the fender, but in the end the bumper still goes streamlined with the rest of the vehicle. Even though it doesn't match up quite the same right here, we barely see the difference. It's only straight across the front. It's that slight difference there. Looks pretty mean. I love this finish. Get something up the top here. So we'll take you down the rest of the car, and I'll pan it from side to side. I'll also put a link to the camo bowl print that it was before, just so you can see a nice little before and after. This thing looks amazing. It brings out so many body lines that were hidden before. So it's like a matte, but it's not a matte. Like what a matte does is usually brings out some more body lines because it's absorbing light, but we gotta have that satin sheen to it. It looks sick. And we can actually see the texture here. So obviously everything runs the same way. The bumper on the rear again has to run across, but it doesn't meet the trunk anyways. Not a big deal. Wrapped all up in there, all up in here, and that small little piece right up in there. Mirror's done. These are fun mirrors to do, let me tell you. It looks pretty sick. Let's throw that camera back. So what do you think about the difference from the camo wrap to this now?
I think it's totally, it totally changes the game. Like the camo was a little, you know, too busy, and this just makes it more like classy, sleek, more elegant looking.
Looks like a toy car.
Yeah, it looks like a totally like a toy car.
It's so luxurious, man. I hope you like it.
Yeah.
So James he's got a YouTube channel, does real estate as well. So this thing's gonna look pretty pimped out, parked out front of some nice homes. I know it will. You know, the camo one definitely more on the fun side of things, but as far as like classy luxury goes, this is hands down. This is the nicest wrap I've ever seen, I think. So
yeah, no, Christian absolutely nailed it again. And yeah, he's the best at what he does, in my opinion. So only come to the best, and I'm totally happy with this.
So I'm going to put a link to James's channel in the description below. He's got Mercedes Sprinter lifted.
We're gonna wrap that soon too.
And we got to go. We're going to go off-roading one point. So you know, I'm going to rewrap the Jeep actually. So I'm just doing some videos on that right now, and I'm going to rewrap the Jeep and get it out with a brand new color. We'll take it out, we'll beat up our cars a little bit, and you know, have fun with those. But yeah, his Sprinter's pretty amazing. Again, link to James's channel in the description below. Guys, I hope you like the car. I know I do. I hope that James does. And that's pretty much it. So, you know, if you do, don't forget to give it a like. And if you guys want to see more videos, don't forget the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Take care.